Stray Dogs, published by Third Man Books and set in Toronto in 1979. It features 3 high school dropouts who get a job selling dictionaries and then run into some trouble. And I'm going to read a short section from part 2. Maybe we should have turned back, but there didn't seem much point, so we just kept on because we didn't know what else to do. There were some tapes in the footwell, and Frankie changed cassettes until she found one that sounded like Rolling Thunder. As the song played, Frankie took Quahog's $5 bill and lit it with a match, and we watched as the edges curled and the smoke snaked up across the roof, drifting like a small black cloud. Kathy Lee showed me how to do this, she said. An invocation of demons, Milboy said, sorcery of some kind. Frankie crushed the bill in her hand and opened the window and held her arm out for a moment, bringing it back and showing us her open palm as if it were a black wound or some reminder of what Quahog had done to her. Gone with the wind, she said. Amen, Milboy said. Frankie drew a black cross on Milboy's brow with the cinders and jammed a replica pistol against his head. You're my hero, Randy. You saved Turner and me. When we get a chance, we'll dump the pig and just keep going. We sped on through the night, like a light box flickering in the dark.